I'll be giving public talks in Karachi on Saturday, the 5th October, as well as Sunday, the 6th October. I'll be giving 2 public talks in Lahore on Saturday, the 12th of October, and Sunday, the 13th of October, as well as in Islamabad on Saturday, the 19th of October, and Sunday, the 20th of October. I have received many requests and invitations from various different universities from Pakistan and different cities from Pakistan. Time will not permit me to accept all because the invitations are in hundreds and it's increasing every day. Inshallah, we'll select some of the important universities. One university that we've already selected is the NUST, that is National University of Science and Technology in Islamabad. So inshallah, during my stay in